Hey guys, so last night I posted the picture of my 2014 summer bucket list on my Instagram, but I'll also show it at the end of the video, and I'll link my Instagram down below where you'll see updates of what I'm doing and some pictures of what I'm doing and maybe a little small clip. But the videos will be up every single day of me doing one of the tasks, and there is many more pages to come of this list. I'm going crazy with this list, thinking of all the amazing things that I would love to do. So this is going to be a summer to remember, and I'm glad that you guys get to take this journey with me, and I just thought this would be something totally amazing to do on YouTube and just to upload everything that I'm completing. And so the list won't go in order as it's wrote, it's just, I'll check it off as I go. And today isn't a complete task list, it's more of an introductory tag, get to know me tag, and I'll be answering some questions that might come about, like my name and all that stuff. So I will be answering those in the next part. I'll show you the list and then I'll answer the questions. Okay, and if you have any more questions, you can just you can ask them down below in the comments. And also, if you decide to make your own bucket list, then I would love you to tag me in the videos or post them on my page and tag me in the pictures on Instagram. And again, my Instagram link will be down below. Okay, bye! Hey guys, so this is the first page, and I do have a second page, but I will work on that one more, and when it's completely full, then I will go about posting it onto Instagram and everything like that. Oh, you got a little sneak peek of it, it's in the corner. But yeah, I had quite a lot of fun with doodling. Let's see, that's a book, it's a cake, it's another cake, that's my ear, because I want to get my cartilage pierced. My lipstick, because I love my makeup. Summer sky, or summer sun, whatever that is. Scary person, hence the hashtag creepy face. Yeah, so this is my summer list for the first page. So I will be uploading more in a minute. Bye! Hey guys, so I'm going to start the question tag video portion, and this is the get to know me. So the first thing is, what's my name? My name is Angela. And the second one, how old are you? And I am currently 19, and on the 25th of June I will be 20. And what grade are you in? I am in college. I start more courses in the fall. I graduated in 2013. And it says, what is your eye color? Mine are hazel green, but they do change colors in the light, so they can look yellow or gold. Let's see. And then number 6 is, what's your hair color? I am naturally dirty blonde, but I dyed it red, really bright red, and now I have some blonde highlights, so it's kind of everywhere now. What is my favorite color? That would definitely have to be blue. I am obsessed. My whole room was blue at one point, and this one's kind of blue, I think. Let's see, that was number 7, sorry, I'm really bad with this, keeping up with the numbers. Number 8, heels or flats? Definitely flats, because I'm not the most balanced person in the world, so heels would probably hurt me eventually. Number 9, do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do, and you will see him in a whole lot of the videos. He will probably be in most of them. Let's see, apparently I think a sentence deserves 2 numbers. Let's see, this is number 10, and it says, what is something that makes you nervous? Lighthouses. Going upstairs where you're going up and people are going down and you're at a good height, I don't really like that, because I'm afraid people are going to push me and I don't want to fall down them. And lighthouses, there's that open space, and I'm terrified. So that's one of the things I'm going to be conquering. One of the things on my list is conquer fear, so I'm going to try and conquer that one. I'm going to be clinging to the railing and probably suffocating halfway up, but it's okay. Let's see, this one is 11, and it says, do you have pets? Do you have pet? Do you have a pet? I have 2, but in a way I kind of have 4. Because my boyfriend's pets I treat as my own. I love them to death. And it's a cat of mine, and then a cat of his, and a dog of mine, and a dog of his. And number 12. Yeah, 12. Do you have any siblings? I have an older brother, and that's it. So I'm kind of thankful that I only have an older sibling, because all my friends who have like little siblings are like, oh my god, they drive me insane. Like, yeah, I just have my older brother, so I don't know what you're talking about there. Okay, and those are pretty much the only questions that I could think would come up eventually. And again, I'll put my Instagram in the bottom, so you don't have to worry about that one. That one will be there, and I think that's all. And if you have any more questions, just post a comment down below asking, and I'll be happy to answer. Bye, guys!